Hey foodies, what's up? Are you ready to turn up the heat in your kitchen? Because today, we're making something that's not for the faint of heart. We're diving headfirst into a bowl of fiery, flavor-packed spicy chicken noodles that will absolutely ignite your taste buds. If you love that satisfying kick of spice, combined with savory chicken and slurp-worthy noodles, you are in the right place. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs because they're super juicy and flavorful, but chicken breast works great too. We'll slice them into bite-sized pieces. Now for the marinade, the heart of our dish. In a bowl, we're mixing soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil for that nutty aroma, some minced garlic and fresh ginger. And, of course, the star of the show, a generous spoonful of gochujang, that amazing Korean chili paste. Don't be shy with it. Let the chicken marinate for at least 15 minutes to soak up all that goodness. While our chicken is getting happy in the marinade, let's cook our noodles. You can use ramen, udon, or even spaghetti, whatever you have on hand. Cook them according to the package directions, but aim for al dente, since we'll be tossing them in the sauce later. Once they're done, just drain them and set them aside. Alright, time to bring it all together. Heat up a wok or a large skillet over high heat. Add a splash of oil, and once it's shimmering, toss in your marinated chicken. Listen to that sizzle. We want to get a nice char on the outside, while keeping it tender inside. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's cooked through. Now add in your cooked noodles and a little more gochujang, a touch of honey or brown sugar to balance the heat, and a splash of water or chicken broth to create a beautiful glossy sauce that coats every single strand. Toss everything together until it's well combined and heated through. Look at that gorgeous fiery red color. To finish it off, I love to sprinkle on some toasted sesame seeds and fresh chopped green onions for a bit of crunch and freshness. You can even add a soft-boiled egg on top if you're feeling extra fancy. And there you have it, a bowl of spicy chicken noodles that is bursting with flavor and guaranteed to satisfy your craving for heat. This recipe is so easy to customize. Feel free to add in your favorite veggies, like bok choy, bell peppers, or mushrooms. The possibilities are endless. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments how you like it and what you'd add to make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.